Hey, what's going on, everybody? John from Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing here. Today we have a 2022 F150 Limited. This is a $90,000 truck. And this truck had what we believe is the RetraxPRO installed, but I think they peeled the Retrax emblems off of it and slapped on a Ford emblem. But I digress. We're not 100% sure about that. We don't want to put blame anywhere, but we can put blame that this cover is improperly installed. Those mounting clamps are supposed to go between the adjusting screws. Go to the other side. This is completely not installed right. And if you look, there's water in this thing that, you know, it looks like Lake Erie. These things are not waterproof, but there should not be that much water coming in to make it look like a lake. And the reason that that is happening is, you come out here, this seal should be flush with the bed right here. And this plastic snap-in liner should have been trimmed down 6 to 8 inches to allow the canister to fit behind the front of the bed here, and to allow that seal to lay flush with the bed itself. Now, if it had a spray-in liner, it doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about that, but it's something about the snap-in liners that caused that issue. And they took the time to trim the thing in the corners for the drain tubes. Makes zero sense to me that they would then install this cover improperly. You know, a cover that's well over $2,000. And put it on an $85,000 truck and have it improperly installed. Thank God he doesn't have anything of value in here, or it'd possibly be ruined. You know, these things are like 99% water resistant. If you get a hard enough rain or something, you may get water in there, but that's absolutely ridiculous. We like to inform all of our customers that come in for anything, if their stuff's improperly installed, or even if they aren't our customers and they call us about a bed cover or a ceramic coating. We like to inform everybody that, hey, even if you don't choose us, here's what you should look out for. Here's what to avoid. Even if you don't choose us, because we want everybody to be informed. And it gets rid of all that misinformation about bed covers or ceramic coatings or paint correction. Especially with coatings, you see infomercials lighting cars on fire and all this crazy nonsense. That's a bunch of smoke and mirrors BS. You will never see us try to sell you a coating based on those parameters, because it's simply not true. It is true that it is 3 times harder than clear coat, but that's a subject for another day. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. If you have any questions or you're interested in a bed cover, even if you don't live here, we can drop ship it to you anywhere, no cost to you whatsoever on top of the cover. Please email us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You could call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We will see you in the next video.